Guys, so what I have today is this American Lock Series 2000 puck lock. I haven't seen very many videos of this lock picked and gutted, so I figured I'd go ahead and make one today. This lock isn't like most American locks because the feedback you get from this lock is little to none really. You can hear serrations, but they're not like picking a 5200 or 1100. But I think that was pin 5. Got a little click out of it. Pin 4, a little click. A couple clicks out of pin 1. I think I overset 5, trying to pry up on 6. So I let off the tension a little bit. That was pin 3. And I just overset something. And got those clicks just pulling forward on the pick. So try to reset it here. That was pin 4. Got a couple clicks out of it. Got a click out of 5. Just dropped something in the back, it sounded like. It's pin 1. Try to release some tension. It's pin 5. Pin 6. We gotta open. Alright, so a couple things to get this lock apart. First, we gotta take this little set screw out of it. Set it back there. Comes a core, and you can see the lock is actually, or the bolt for the shackle is actually connected to the core itself. And they normally come with a roll pin all the way through, but whenever I got this lock it didn't have a key, so I had to take it apart, and I mangled the roll pin and wasn't able to use it, so I just tapped it, put some set screws in it. And this is an old lock. Whenever I got it, it was full of dirt and whatever else from its past. I'm not sure what they were using on it. Here's the key. It's just something I pinned up, one of the only 6-pin American keys that I had. Get this all pulled forward for for you guys. And in here, it's just like any other American lock. It's gonna be serrated key pins and serrated driver pins. So there's nothing going on inside there, just a regular core. See where I tapped it for the grub screws. And then here we go with the core. It's gonna be a serrated driver pin, just like every other American lock. Another serrated. Another serrated. 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 And sixes, another serrated. So on this lock, I think the reason there's nothing inside here. So like I was saying, the reason I think that it gives such poor feedback is because it's actually, this is attached, and whenever it's set inside of here, it just has to run through the whole length of the body of the lock, so it just dampens the feedback pretty significantly. It might help if it had some spool pins in it, but this lock didn't have any, and that's just how I left it. Alright guys, get you a close up on all this. Nothing really special other than just serrated pins like every other American lock. Focus. That's the best you're going to do. Alright guys, well, I'm going to try to zoom it out and see if we can get a better close up on them, just like this. Alright, that's much better. Alright, thanks for watching.